I may have just found your new dress shirt and pants. Do you struggle to find a dress shirt and pants that actually fit you? Well, look no further. Odtailor can customize any dress shirt or pair of pants to your body measurements. Yes, this may be too good to be true, but all you have to do is provide Odtailor with your body measurements and they'll do the rest. This shirt and this pair of pants that I'm wearing right now were all custom made using my body measurements. And I gotta say, they did a pretty good job fitting this shirt and this pair of pants to my body. So here's a little close-up of the shirt itself and a little bit of my pants there that I did get. Again, all I did was provide them with my information. So just as an example here, I provided them with my length for my arm, and the shirt comes right down to my wrist. So they did a pretty good job on this outfit. I bet that was a little awkward for both of us, but I just wanted to highlight that Odtailor creates their shirt and pants with flexible material. You saw me just do a squat right there, and that's probably all that I could do. But this is a nice feature because pants and shirts, they can actually move with your body now. Say if you're going up a flight of stairs, if you have pants, normal pants that are stiff, this might be quite difficult. Whereas these pants, they allow your body to move freely. It's different material, and this is why I like this outfit by Odtailor. If you want dress clothes that can actually fit, Odtailor can hook you up. And they can hook you up on Black Friday. They have a Black Friday sale. You can use my discount code LOGAN15 to get 15% off anything in their store. I'll put the link down in the description and also my discount code. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.